Hey, Shadow!
What do you want, Sonic?
I want a rematch.
You beat me last time. I don't need to fight you again.
I said I want a rematch.
Chaos Control! I guess I am the ultimate life form. Go ahead and do it.
Do it!
He's living with a video game programmer? Well, I mean, I guess that suits him. No, I don't know what a Samus is, Julie. Are you sure you feel okay? You're dating Nate? Why?
Sally. Terminate your comlink.
Wait, what?
Immediately.
Julie, I'm gonna have to call you back. What do you want?
You are designate Sally Rouge.
Yes?
You have previously traversed the nexus of gaming through a runaway glitch in Philip Yates' initial program design.
I did the who and the what now?
I require your wisdom for system upgrade.
Wisdom? How's this for starters? Breaking into—
Stand by for analysis. Residual traces remain, but complete icon is absent. Reinitializing mission parameters. Designate Sally Rouge's usefulness has ceased. Termination is the most efficient way of silencing. Mission parameters demand that no trace be left.
Please! Why are you doing this?
So that I may be the vessel of my father's rebirth.
Who are you?
I am the Nexus. Nexus log. Sally Rouge, terminated. Contaminated objects, left to distract law enforcement. Preparing for next mission. Initializing. Designate Sally Rouge. Retained remnants, but lacked embodiment of wisdom. Conclusion. Wisdom has been passed on to a new host following Nexus Mach 2 protocols. Mission reassessment. Calculate location of Wisdom's new host, while en route to retrieve power from Designate.
Program failure. Operation terminated.
Damn it!
I won't give up, Philip.
On the first day, they went very early to the tomb, bearing the spices they had prepared. They had found that the stone, however, was already rolled away, and the body of the Lord was not there. While in perplexity, two men in shining robes stood by them. As they became frightened, the men said to them, "Why are you looking for the living among the dead? He has risen, but he is not here. Remember how he spoke to you when he was yet in Galilee, saying that the Son of Man must be delivered into the hands of sinful men and be impaled, and yet on the third day rise again." However, these sayings appeared as nonsense to them, and they would not believe.
Figures Ash is late again.
care of things at work until you're ready to come back in.
Thank you, Eddie.
Hey guys. I'll see you back at the apartment, okay? Later, Elias.
Oh, Nate. Miles borrowed your...
Don't worry about it. I'll stop by for him later. Feel better, guys.
It's all my fault. I never should have let him go back in there again.
Well, at least you knew you cared about him, right?
Where the hell are you, Ash?